Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. Another October unboxing for you today, and it is from Roccabox. October's Roccabox is here, ladies and gentlemen. So if you don't know what Roccabox is, I will tell you a little about it before we get in and see what goodies are awaiting us inside. So Roccabox is a UK based monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus £2.95 postage and packaging, or £3.95 postage and packaging. Not quite sure, you'd think I'd know after all this time, but never mind. And we always get at least 5 items in here, and the total RRP value is usually £50 plus. I've been subscribed to Roccabox for quite a while now, the majority of this year, and I really love it. It often tends to have slightly different or more unusual types of products than your other subscription boxes. So let's open her up and get into it. Here we go. We always get a leaflet on the top that tells us what products are in the box, their RRP values, and a little bit of information about the products, so I shall refer to that as we are going along. Here we go, so that's October's leaflet there. Okay, so first things first. This is something we often do get in Roccabox, and again, this is something that I think I've only ever received in Roccabox. I've never received in another box, and it's a drink. This is Flawsome. It's a pressed wonky fruit and sparkling water. Here we go. Not quite sure what flavour we're on, but there's the can there. So let's have a look and see what it says. This is a bonus item, and it's sweet and sour apple. Ooh. It says these drinks are made with imperfect fruits that don't quite make it to the supermarket shelves. So it means we're helping reduce waste by drinking these delicious drinks. This one is fizzy, fruity and 100% organic and has an RRP value of £1.50. I love apple juice and things like that. And the sound of sweet and sour, I'm wondering, there's like, it looks like it's got a cinnamon stick and a mint leaf on it, so I'm wondering if those are included. What I will do is I will save this, and on my next Friday Night Natter, my live stream that I do every Friday night at 8 PM GMT, I always like to have a cheeky little beverage, which I'm a vodka girl, so I shall save that and use that with my vodka and do a live taste test. So if you want to find out what I think to this product, make sure you're tuning in for those live stream guys. But that is item number 1, a bonus item this month. Item number 2. This is by the brand Grace and Stella. I've had something from this before. I'll figure it, just give me a minute. Oh, and it's a lavender lotion, and it says calming and moisturising. It's a 30ml tube. There we go. Let's get my camera to focus a wee bit. And it says apply a liberal amount onto body. So it's a body one for hydrated skin. Okay. There we go. Let's see what it says in here. This is a deluxe travel size product. And the RRP of this is £4. Okay, that's not bad at all, is it? Let's see if it's sealed. Yes, it is. It is sealed. Let's have a look. We've got cruelty-free and vegan on here, the symbols for that, I should say. And from opening, it lasts 12 months. Now then, I'm not going to take the seal off because obviously that starts the oxidising process and the going off process, but I'm very, very much looking forward to trying that. I adore lavender as a scent. A great little handy sized tube for going away, or you know, what have you, or even just simply for testing a product out without having to buy the full size version, you know. Yeah, item number 2, I like that. Okay, item number 3. This is a subscription box staple. This is ICO London, okay? And this is the I Do liquid eyeliner in black. It's a 1.8mm tube, which I believe is full size. Yes, it is. And the RRP of this is £16. Now then, I've got quite a few ICO London products. I absolutely love their Black Magic mascara. I'm not sure if I've got this eyeliner. I know I've got a couple of them. One I tried I wasn't very impressed with, and one I tried and I was. So I'm just going to take it out its packaging. Here we go. And that's what the inner packaging looks like. I'll show you the nib. Looks like it's a felt tippy type nib. Let's just give it a swatch. Oh, it looks like a felt tippy, but actually it's a brush, which I personally prefer, in all honesty. Really, really nice and black. Lots of product in the nib there, so that's really cool. So that's item number 3. And item number 4. Ooh, we got some goodies. What is this? Okay, this is by the brand Kind Breakfast, and it's blueberry and almond, and they look like little biscuits. There's 2 in a pack. They are high fibre, made with oats, millet, buckwheat, amaranth and quinoa. Here we go. And again, this is another bonus treat. Way, Roccabox, what are you doing to us this month? Giving us 2 bonus treats. That's amazing. So these are breakfast bars. They contain nuts, that is something to point out, but they are gluten-free, which is awesome. And the RRP of this is £1.99. Awesome. So, in our bonus goodies, we've got a value of £3.50. That's not bad, is it? Bit of a drink, bit of a snack, keep you going, give you some energy for the day. Awesome. Item number 4. Item number 5. What is this? This is by the company Hairburst. Ooh, and it's a volume and growth elixir. It's got avocado and coconut, suitable for all hair types. This is a 40ml bottle, and let's just show you that. There we go. Again, this is a deluxe travel size product. What does it do? It's vegan and cruelty free, enhances hair volume and gloss, protects from pollution, UV and heat. Okay, it detoxifies, improves hair density and reduces hair loss. Oh. As an added bonus, it is free from sulfates, parabens and silicones. Oh, that's really cool. And this has got an RRP of £8.99. Ooh, awesome. I'm always looking for new hair care brands. I obviously do blow dry and style my hair every day with this sort of hairstyle. You're gonna have to. So I'm always looking for things like this which will help against any heat damage or breaking or whatever, because obviously it is coloured as well, which can damage your hair. So yeah, really like that. Be very interested to try that out. That's item number 5. Item number 6. Okay, we have a Mudmask product, and this is the hero product this month, and it's the Mudmask specialised series. Okay, I think I've had about 3 or 4 Mudmask products now in subscription boxes, but this one's new. I've not heard or tried this before. It's a blue light protection mask. Okay, helps shield harmful high energy visible blue light from laptops, tablets, smartphones, television, LED light and computer screens. Okay, this is a 60ml tube. Here we go. I'm going to show you the outside packaging. There we go. This is a full-size product and it has an RRP of £44. Now, Mudmask as a brand is quite a pricey brand, I have to say. I've only ever received these products in subscription boxes, and they've been alright. I've quite enjoyed using them. In my own personal opinion, I'm not quite sure they're worth the RRP value, but... And what is this? This is basically a sunblock for your smartphone and laptop. It's the perfect replacement for your normal day cream when you're not out in the sun, and it prevents premature skin aging caused by the HEV light, which is found in all types of screens. And apparently a Mudmask top tip is always try to keep 60 centimetres away from your blue light devices, as well as protecting your skin. Okay, so that'll be interesting to try. I like the idea of it, I like the concept of the product. You know, the vast majority of us are using devices such as phones, tablets, laptops, etc. on a much more consistent and regular basis. So to protect our skin from that damage, you know, that's caused by those devices, then we need a product to do that. And it looks like Mudmask have developed something, so yeah, very interested to try that. That's item number 6. Item number 7. Oh, okay, it looks like we've got another bonus. All right. This is again by the make Kind, and it's honey roasted nuts and sea salt bar. 76% nuts, gluten free and high fibre. There we go. That's what that is. Yeah, and it doesn't actually tell me, well, I don't know. I'm not quite sure. It just says the RRP is $1.99. So I'm not sure if that is $1.99 for both of these or $1.99 each. But we've now got 3 bonus items this month. Crikey, Roccabox, you really are spoiling us. That's amazing. I love that. My little boy, by the time this video goes up, he probably will have been in hospital overnight. He's got to have some testing done. So those will be going in my bag to keep me going and keep me sugar levels up whilst I'm in the hospital overnight with him. So that's fantastic. Good timing. Yay! And I think this has got to be the last. Oh no, no, it's not the last item in the box. Okay, we have a sheet mask by the company Beauty Pro, and this is their plant-based range. I think I've had 2 of these sheet masks before. One's a CBD one and one was another one. Really enjoyed using them. Really nice. As we are in October, this is a pumpkin infused sheet mask. It's got pumpkin, ivy and bergamot. Oh, I adore bergamot. It's brightening and softening. Yeah, there we go. So that's that one. This is obviously a full-size product, and this is worth £4.99. It's biodegradable and made from natural bamboo fibres, meaning no irritation. Ooh, awesome for sensitive skin people such as myself. I do have a box of sheet masks, and I like to join in with one of my favourite YouTubers, Lisa from Authentic Beauty. She does a live stream on a Friday evening, on a Sunday evening at 8 p.m, and it's called Self-Care Sunday, and we literally, she goes through a whole taking a makeup off routine and a cleansing routine, using masks and everything, and all of us that are in there in the live chat, we do the same at the same time. So that will go in my box, ready and waiting, and to be chosen at random one Sunday evening. There we go. And then we've also got, that's item number 7, by the way. We've also got a little sample here. So can't really class this as an item, but it's, again, to me, this is an extra little bonus. So for me, this box has got 4 bonus items in. Wow. This is by the brand Ole Henriksen, which I have heard of actually. And it's a Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. I adore vitamin C serums. I find them very helpful for my skin. They just help to give an extra layer of hydration. I don't know what it is about the vitamin C, but my skin really does seem to suit it. This is literally just a little sample sachet. But serums you don't need very much of, you know, a little goes a long way. So I'll probably get a good 2, 3, maybe even a week's worth of trials out of that. And there we go. So let's get everything back in this fantastic box and do a bit of a tot up and a roundup. So we have the Mudmask product worth £44. We have, whoops, We have our pumpkin sheet mask worth £5, so that's 49. We've got our hair elixir worth £9, so that is 58. There we go. We have our lavender body lotion, that's worth £4, so that's 62. We have our ICO London eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, worth 16, so that is 78. And then we have got all our bonus items, which are worth, you know, at least £3.50. Wow! We have got a box there, guys, that is worth very nearly or just over £70, okay, and we paid £14 for it. What an absolute bargain. So we have our 5 normal, you know, the items that we would normally expect to receive in this box, but oh no, Roccabox this month have completely spoilt us rotten, and they've stuck in what I classify as 4 freebie items. This is almost like a double up box. I'm absolutely amazed and gobsmacked. Very, 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 very pleased. I don't think you can't be disappointed with this box. If you are, then there might be a little bit something wrong with you. But what do I think? Absolutely great. I love it. It's literally head to toe, isn't it? You know, you've got your day cream, you've got your hair care, you've got your facial care with your mask, you've got your body care, and then you've got a makeup item. Wow, I'm very, very pleased with that box this month. I honestly think that is, I mean, I'm never overly disappointed with Roccabox, but I honestly think this month's box is the best box they have done all year. I really, really do. I think this is an amazing, amazing box. But anyway, guys, please let me know what you think of this box down in the comments section below. What's your favourite item that we've received? Are you already a Roccabox subscriber? Or, based on this, are you going to go, oh, I'm going to give that one a go? If so, please do open up the description box, because I do have refer a friend code links for several different subscription boxes. So if you want to get a discount on your first box, please do use those links in there. Thank you for watching, everybody. As always, if you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to continue following me on my YouTube journey. If so, please do hit that subscribe button, either the red one down below or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. Make sure you click your notification bell and turn it on to all. That way YouTube will tell you every time I upload a video, which is around about 2 or 3 times a week. Don't just do subscription box unboxings, I do makeup looks, I do haul videos. Like I say, I have a live stream on a Friday evening, 8 PM GMT. Please do come and join us for that. Bring your favourite beverage, an open and encouraging mind, and a willingness to join in. I think that's everything for today, everybody. Keep safe and well, enjoy the rest of your day, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!